How to style yourself to look naturally beautiful. You don't need to spend a lot of time and effort to look naturally beautiful. Just take the time to groom yourself so you look and feel fresh and clean. Then, style and present yourself in a way that makes you feel comfortable and confident. Incorporating healthy habits into your routine can also help achieve natural beauty. You'll be looking and feeling great in no time. Number 1. Wear clean clothes that fit well. A comfortable, put-together outfit will help you feel more confident than a rumpled, stinky sweatsuit. Wash your laundry frequently and put your clothes away so you always have clean, unwrinkled clothes to wear. You don't have to dress up, just pick things that make you feel good and that are free of stains or rips. Choose clothes that fit well. They shouldn't be baggy and shapeless, nor should they be constricting and uncomfortable. Number 2. Choose simple accessories. If you're going for a natural look, don't overdo it with tons of flashy jewelry or blinged-out accessories. Stick to simple accessories and limit it to just a few items, like a patterned scarf, simple bracelet, and bright-colored heels. Or, you could choose some dangly earrings, a neutral handbag, and patterned flats. Number 3. Find a hairstyle that suits you. Visit a reputable hairstylist and ask them what kind of styles they would suggest for your face shape and hair type. Work together to choose a style that matches your preferred level of effort to style, whether you enjoy spending time styling your hair in the morning or are more of a wash-and-go type of person. Then, learn how to style it each day and pick up the products you may need. Trim your hair every 6 to 8 weeks to remove split ends and keep your hair healthy and beautiful. Number 4. Apply natural-looking makeup, if desired. If you choose to wear makeup, it should be understated and subtly highlight your features. Choose a tinted moisturizer or a lightweight foundation and be sure to blend it into your hairline and onto your neck. Sweep a warm blush over your cheekbones and apply a lipstick or lip gloss that's only a few shades from your natural lip color. Accent your eyes with mascara and perhaps a neutral shade of eyeshadow. Always remove your makeup before bed. It's super crucial that you don't sleep in your makeup. Not only will it smudge and smear, it can also clog your pores and cause breakouts. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.